Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make super delicious spicy momos for the evening time, and which is also called dumpling. So let's get started. These are the ingredients for the recipe. So we're gonna start with kneading the dough. For this, take a big bowl and all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup. And now I'm gonna add salt, half teaspoon, sugar, 1 teaspoon, and now I'm gonna add water, half cup, or it's and you can just check yourself like how much you need for making a dough. So dough is ready. Now grease it with little oil on the top and leave it for rest for 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, so let's start the filling for the momos. So add the oil, 1 teaspoon, chopped garlic, onion, 3 to 4 cloves. You can take a little bit more if you want. Chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon, and give a little mix. Once it's cooked, and then add grated carrot, 1 cup. Now add cabbage, 2 cup. This is also I grated. And chopped onion, half cup. And chopped spring onion, 1/3 cup. And green chili, 4. It's completely on you. You can take 3 also. Now cook it on medium flame. Continuously stir it. Roast it until the oil is mixed well and cabbage is a little bit dry. It will take few minutes. So after few minutes, add salt, half teaspoon. Add black pepper, half teaspoon. So you can add little bit more salt if you want, but I put it half spoon. You can go till 1 teaspoon and mix well. Now add spring onion, like the green part for it, and now, or you can add the coriander leaves as well. So cook it for a few more minutes. Now the filling is ready. So the dough has well relaxed, and now I'm going to divide them in several portions. So here I'm taking 1 portion. Sprinkle some flour on the both sides, and now roll it. Little bit more, and now roll it. Now let's make the momos. Yeah, rolling needs time. You need to make a proper shape. Now add 1 tablespoon of filling in the center area. Little bit more. Now we are going to pinch the edges of the momos like this and start gathering the plates and move along the edges till you make all the plates like this. So once you reach the other side is pinch and close the mouth of the momos. So I'm giving it a twist, but you can make any shape you want. So I'm trying it, it's a little harder for me, but I'm trying it to close it. So I'm giving it a little more twist here. So the momos is ready. My momos is ready. See? So I'm doing it again. So you can make any shape you want. So I'm making a circle shape. So now I'm going to steam it. So I have added the water in the steamer, boil it for 2 to 3 minutes, and now placing the momos one by one on the top. But make sure you brush the steamer plate with the oil so that it won't get stick. Now cover it. Cover it and wait for 15-20 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the momos are ready to be eaten, so take them out. It looks nice, huh? See? So momos are ready. Yummy, yummy. It looked nice. Yummy with delicious momos chutney. Friends, if you like the recipe, please like my channel, share with your friends and families, and please do subscribe to my channel. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye.